That's dope. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to leave again. It's Sunday. Gotta cut. Is that all pollen? Lots of pollen or dust on my windshield. It's nasty. I got a couple of new places I'm gonna try today. One of them is kind of near an apartment complex on the east side, and another one is I'm trying to get close to a cutout on 69 that goes under an overpass, and you can look off to the left and you just see geodes. Just, it looks like cookies and cream. So I'm gonna try and find a creek over by there and see if there's any decent places. So I got them in my phone. I'll probably go to the one on the east side first and then go to the west. So I'll get back to you guys. One trail. I kind of scout it out first. Me gusta. I like it. I guess I'll go get my tools and my water shoes. I'll be right back. Okay, see what we got. Take it right, go down a little bit, I guess, and then come back. Just kind of get a feeling and see what we got. That's what I love about these creek beds sometimes. They get flat because of the bedrock and you just walk real easy. Super nice. Mud bomb. This is sand. There's another gray one. There's a couple of them. That's interesting. That's what I'm gonna crack open because I haven't seen an exterior like that. It makes me think of amethyst, but there aren't amethysts here in Indiana. This is just the. Oh, this might be interesting. Yeah, it's just quartz. Never seen one with this kind of an exterior before. There's some neat quartz with some iron stains. I guess maybe it's just different because it's in the water and not in the water. I don't know. Yeah, it's just the staining from the water. Oh wow, what's this? Ah, this is so peaceful. Oh, look at that. This is picturesque. Love it. It's a nice round one. This one gives me flashbacks to the calcite geodes that I found because they look more raggedy versus rounded like that. Let's see. I always like to start gentle. Sometimes you don't need much, see? Yeah, it's calcite. Solid calcite. Very common. I can hear a woodpecker. Whew, stood up too fast. Headrush. Look at this. Super flat. I don't think, God, oh God, there's a water snake. Look at a water snoot. Look at a water snake. See if I can catch him. Where'd he go? Oh my God. Where'd he go? Oh, he's way down there. You guys see him? Hello there. Hello. Bye-bye. I could probably catch him, but... What's up, brah? You're just a water snake. You don't scare me. See? Yeah, that's right. That's cool. Okay, back to geodes. Oh, that's cool. And look at this giant geode right in the center of it. And this here. Oh. This is like a jungle over here. Oh, that's hollow. Wow, that one's really hollow. That's the most hollow geode I've ever seen. Wow. God, I might keep that. Wow. Look at that. Do I need it? No, I don't. I really... Look at the minnows. They're jumping up over there. What? There's something tumbling in it. Hear it? What? Okay. That looks like a good seam. Wow. God, that just... What was with this creek, you guys? Keep cracking it. It's ever so gentle. Look what's coming out of this. That's dope. I'm gonna keep that. Where's this thing cracking at right there? Be gentle. What? That's a cool one. Man, this little feeder stream is magical. Look at that. Oh, wow. It's a big face right there. Oh, God. This one, I'm gonna set on this bank here when I stroll back, because that one's unique. It's like a step. This is freaking cool, and nobody's been back here because it's hard to get to. That was a little newt. Man, there's a lot of nature today. Oh, come here, bro. It's a little newt, or a skink, or a salamander, whichever one's probably a... Oh my God, he's adorable. Oh my God. I could go on this creek forever. Oh my God. Look at the size of that freaking geode. Oh. Holy crap balls. Baby. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh my God, it's the biggest geode I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. Just made sure that I got a good angle, and I do. Look at this geode. It's the size of a basketball. And guess what? I'm cracking it open. This could be the end all of end alls. And it may be almost impossible to crack open for how big it is. It's cracking. It's freaking cracking. Please be hollow. Nope. God dang it. Shoot. It's sort of hollow, but that happens. Dang it, what a bust. Literally.